Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix instance not showing. So just now I fixed it and it's working for me, and I will show you for you how you can do it as well. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to press on your profile on the bottom right. Then you need to press on a three horizontal lines on the top right. Then you need to look for notifications. And then here you need to look for instance and make sure instance is on, and also emoji reaction is on as well. And look if it's working or not. In my particular case, this did not help. So what I did, I just went on settings on my iPhone. If you're using Android, it will be probably a little bit different, but nevertheless, you just need to go to general. Then you need to go to a iPhone storage, and then you need to look for a Instagram, and then offload app, right? And uh, after you offload app, then you need to press reinstall. And after you do so, basically my Instagram restarted, and now I have this option here, instance. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.